Following a landslide victory in the recent general election, TTAADC officially commenced in its second consecutive Tipra Motha-led government today. In a high-profile ceremony held at the Nuai Auditorium, Runiel Debbarma was sworn in as the new chief executive member, marking a pivotal shift in the council's leadership.
Tabukan penyanyi Chini borong gedang Tripura Bosongni Monti Chini borong gedang sar pisau gitu dapur menang penyanyi bini acok lagi. Abunya gulo ex-chairman sana Kumpulkan tadi saya pada jen borong ya palenai. Ex-chairman saya Jagadish Debbarma.
That's man.
Abunya gulo ex-CEM borong genang macam Purnochondro Jamatia. Borong kumpulkan tadi saya pada jen langsung naik borong ya palenai.
Các bạn sẽ xây đầu.
Abang lagu jeng NDC borong benang macam sike jamatia sana kumpul setai di saya pada jeng borong ya palenai. Abang lagu jeng Chini borong benang Menteri Bishop itu dapur mana jeng borongnya palenai, aboniya gulo jeng borongnya palenai Chini emedesar ronjit dapur mana, aboniya gulo. Aboniya gulo jeng borong benang dikesano kumpul setai bisa ya pari borong ya palenai. Abang lagu Chini MLA sar Biswajit Kolone pung bocor ya parnai di saya parnai. Tabuk jeng Chini sar MLA borong benang ronjit Debbarma sano pung bocor di saya pari borong ya parnai.
The oath of office was administered by State Law Secretary Sankari Das in the presence of TTAADC CEO Rebel Hemendra Kumar. Alongside the new CEM, Bhabaranjan Riyang took the oath as chairman and Chandra Kumar Jamatia was sworn in as an executive member. The formation of the new executive committee follows Tipra Motha's dominant performance at the polls, where the party secured 24 out of 28 elected seats. Naitongnai joto khapangni tahuktai buksong rangchakhani joto lukorokno chung Chini Khorang ni team norno joto nang khabai khubai lamsoko chung tau faisok pajak miao saklaijak tongman hakino Tipra Mothani je officially borokni je announcement tongman hakin tini oro Nuai Auditorium Hall khumulongni je TTAADC headquarter oro jagaono tini oath taking ceremony ingnai sabni oath taking ceremony ingnai hingangkai abo je appointed CEM EM tai chairman council ni borok khorok tamno jitini oath taking ceremony bongni samai tangmani panda khlaijangna thangui tongo tabuk khumlongni je Nuai Auditorium hall obahkeno Chini ungkologo mangplinugi mankhana lukorok ni bangmari lukorok simi or officers soktongo TTAADC ni officers soktongo tai hoda 19 dofani je Tipra dofani je hoda okrarok haike hoda samajpati sok faisok paijak abni logi amsani lukuro faisok pajak obhakeno trek sing saibano tinini oje pandao TTAADC ni 24M research sok bahani jotono faimanjak fainai o taking ceremony o participate khaini bagai sing saibano thangneo chunugi mankha je as council ni first session TTAADC ni je hapango tewise achukman Tipra Motha aboni first session mia chung nugui mankha aboni yagulo no Tipra Motha ni jotto MDC stroke Governor House thangai nei Lokbhavano thangai Tripura ni Governor Indra Sena Redin alobai malai mani bochung nugui mankha aro thangai jotto MDC stroke Governor bai sakbai thang borok felicitate khaijaka aboni yagulo no tini o sala je taklai ni TTAADC chongbari paimani yagulo no tabuk o technique sermon haike samai tangmani pan angnan thangai tong
Ang
Mochang Runiel Debbarma kaitonni mungui semai tangi sajabo ang Bharat elembagni bisingti khajak kerongno poito kubui tai khorok bomui sajabo ang Bharatni phan keplai tai kethalai mungno naikolui tononai ang Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Charipang Adong Okrani Samungno Jotoni Bagino Tangnai Bharat ni Elembag Tai Kerongni Bisingti Kirima Kerei Klai Eba Bagsano Chajakma Eba Chajagya Klai Eba Kebo Khoroksa Bai Gedalei Eba Huijagai Samung Tanglak Ani thani yafarjak hangkor kokchap nokni charifang adong okrani barjano nangyawui keboni bekhak phunugui eba huijagui samung tanglak hambai jotono
Ang Mochang Chandra Kumar Jamatia Baba Goriani Mungtui Somai Tangai Sajago Ang Bharat Elembakni Bisingtui Khajak Kerong no Puito Kubui Tei Khorok Bomui Sajago Ang Bharat ni Phan Keplai Tei Kathalai Mungno Naikolui Tongnai Ang Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Charipang Adong ni Samungno Jotto ni Bagino Tangnai Bharat ni Elembak Tei Kerong ni Bisingtui Kirima Kerei Khalayui Eba Baksano Sajakma Eba Sajagya Khalai Eba Kebo Khorok Sabai Gedalei Eba Huijagui Samung Tanglak Ani Thani Yafarjak Hangkor Kokchapni Charifang Adongni Borjano Nangyagui Keboni Bekhak Phunugui Eba Huijagui Samung Tanglak Jotono Khulumka Hambai
Speaking to Chini Khorang shortly after the ceremony, CEM Runiel Debbarma highlighted that while the council faces significant hurdles regarding limited funds and resources, the comprehensive development of the ADC remains his administration's non-negotiable goal. The CEM pledged to prioritize the welfare of the tribal areas through transparent and sincere governance despite financial constraints.
Omona samai tongnai tiprasa lukurung bagi samung klainani je podo tabuk CEM hisabe ana asu gumani bubagra Omna ani kaham ke samung tangnani kubui ke samung tangnani omna ani nahar mung tangnai ebong semai bo tangnai tiprasa bosong ni bagi samung klainani tiprasa jonogon ni bobishon chungsa klaina bagi ebong tiprasa am chaina chungsa klaina bagi je limited fund mamani bisingti sing samung khaine thane 5 bosor onek experience kha o experience na tabuk o 5 bosor phnangnai ebong je limited fund mamani bo omon bagi bo sing sini chief minister malaine sini Delhi government of India ni adong robo sing malaine ani no mono
Sir, 5 years experience umani ya global limited fund no naisi ya woi Tipra Motha taiwisa hapanga achu khaba tabuk state government by central government by buma high consensus ba buma high koko thana nai tong je Tipra sa accord no tui Tipra sor ni man thai sok te boso sor ti chances to
party level ti party sini spokesperson te sini party founder sini buba grana sanai ebong asa khayo tabuk वेस्ट बेंगल इलेक्शन पाइके आसाम इलेक्शन पाइके एंके अमनि कक दिल्ली वो साजाकनाय सिनि पार्टी सीनियर लीडर्स रक बाय बाक्साके बुबाग्रा सालसासे दिल्ली वो थांगी अमो तिप्रासे अकॉर्डिंग माने दातिनो बास्तबाय उंनाय हने आं आशा खालाय
सर एस नों youth generation represent खाइ दं माने first youngest CEM उंनाय थानाय दं TTADC नि youth नि बेलायनो expectation दं नि थानि जे ताकलायनि ओ term नो बाहायके सामखानि बहतन youth नि बागे बाहाय मेसेज नाय
जों youth नि बागे वान सुबजेक्ट अनेक किसु जों थाइसिंबो आं आंनि स्पीचआव साका जे अलरेडी जों जे सामुं खालायनो नांमोन 5 बोसोर अलरेडी प्लेनिंग कमप्लीटिंग पाइका बुबाग्रा लिडरशिप नि बिसिंथि एवं आस्ते आस्ते कमनर मीडिया जत किसु साइमबाय
बेलाय हमबाय सर
Chairman Bhabaranjan Riyang, speaking to Chini Khorang, reaffirmed his commitment to the vision of Bubagra, emphasizing unity and indigenous rights.
Finally, chung nugiman kha je Khoroktam MDC's Chairman EM tai CEM appoint khaijamani yaglo tini final oath taking ceremony ingmani nuka ani logyo tongo je former Chairman of the TTAADC Council Sir Jagadish Debbarma replace khai Bubagrani Chongjak Sir Bhabaranjan Riyang ani logi tongo Sir puila no lamso Chini Khorang tai bahai ma tong nang post chairmanship man mani bagai
पहिला जतन हामबाय के ना मेडिया रनक ना हामबाय जानाव के जों जतन खाकसाङै मातो चिनि बुबाग्रा जे चोंमो जों जतन आबननो एक्सेप्ट होनो खेव कारण जों बुबाग्रानि वारियर बुबाग्रा जे सामुं जोंनो बार जाबेमो जों आबननो एक्सेप्ट खे जों सामुं दानाय आबो चिनि के हा दायित्व रेसपन्सिबिलिटी जों एसे बुबाग्रानि वारियर हिसाबै जों दं के जत लुकरनो फां बनो साने जों जत थानसानि अमोदियनो दिनो जों सेकेंड टाइम जे TTADC Tipra Motha-led किए out of 28 seat or 24 seat जों जे प्लाइंगे फाइमो आबो जतनी थानसानि मारिनो बुबाग्रानि आइडियोलॉजी थानसा आबोनि मारि बुबाग्रानो हामजागिनो जत जोंनो बुद्रि प्लाइखा के जों आसाखेव बो सेकेंड टाइम जों ट्रेबु काहामखे जों सामुतानाय लुगोरां बये चिनि जनगन बये जेखाने सेखाने चिनि लामा सौया दै कारेन्ट नि प्रॉब्लम तो आबदेरनो जों विशेष के नायने स्कूल एजुकेशन सबसे चिनि ADC एलाकाव जों नो बेटा जाया आबदेरनो जों ट्रे काहाम खेनमा जों साथायलायने आबदिखनो चिनि बुबाग्रानि डाइरेक्शन होतो आबन बाय जों चिनि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जे ताव तावने रनो आंबो गरबाय मिलेनो जेबा सामुआव जों कोऑपरेटिंग लायो जों सामु तालायनाय आबो हिनो जों स्माइताव जों कुनो चिनि प्रोटोकॉल एसे तिनियो चेयरमैन आउनो चोंजाखा आबो हिया चेयरमैन नि मतेव आं तंया आइनि रेसपन्सिबिलिटी पब्लिक जनगणनो ब्रेके जों सेवा खेमेने ब्रेके ब्राउन बाय काहाम खेमेने आबोनो जों सामु तालायनाय हिया जों स्माइताव जा
Sir, nugaimano this time maximum bubagra youth generation no visible chances jaka new CEM youth generation is sir nungbok as a chairperson tabok represent khaitung youth generation no youth strong expectation to high no tongo this times the 5-year terms that they wish consecutive times hapunga chumani bahai ke nung lukurok no ni samuni bishing to satisfaction deny by high effective work of na thangi
बुबाग्रानि चौमों सब समयनो काहाम नन बवाइन शो सामुंताव बो साउ जे जेन जे न्यू जनरेशन यंग जनरेशन रनो बो जे प्रायोरिटी रेनाय आबो देखिनो बो वाइन शो आबोनि देखिनो बुं जिनि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अफ बुं रिफॉर्म ख्या हिमबा चो आखिया जे सुदु यूथ रो बा यंग जनरेशन रो प्लाई ख्या हाबोया जतो लोगोनि सपोर्ट दं रो होग्रा चराय जतन के चो सिनेरिटी रनो रेस्पेक्ट के न बरनि जे एक्सपीरियंस न लाय न जों सामुल मातानाय कारण इके चिन्थियो अनेक एक्सपीरियंस माने कम मेयो जों बरंथियो निश्चय जों बरंथियो एक्सपीरियंस बरो जे एक्सपीरियंस गुना रंथियो जों आइडिया ब्रानि सजेशन जों मालाने आबदिखनो जों सामुल तांनाय तबे यूथ रंहा सबसे युवक रंनि जे जातीय मेरुदंड हिमदि केहा जुबनता एक शक्ति तो मदियो जों जेखाने सेखाने थामफो जेकुनो सामुं तानायफो चिनि जे जोस आबो दङ आबोनो जों काजे लागै मेखे आसाखेव चिनि ट्रे हामपान्दाक जों खेमेनाय हिंबा जों आइडिया चिनि जे सिने राउन्थियो बरनि सजेशन बरनि आइडियोलॉजी बरनि जे निर्देश आबो तो जों मालानायनो के बरनो रेस्पेक्ट खेनो जों चिनि जनगण भायके सामुं खेमाय गुसुक जोस जों सामुं तामाय आबो मानायलायनो आबन बायनो जों यो दनो प्रायोरिटी रेक नाही आं बुबाग्रानो हामबाय जानो बुबाग्रा जे यो दनो प्रायोरिटी रिमन बाय लोगोरनो फबनो आसास्रि जे जों बिस्काव nang ni boy jonogon boy je nang ni problem to abono tu ye chong samung khani hino am jonogon ko assessment
Hambai sir delay.
EM Chandrakumar Jamatia focused on the technical and administrative future, discussing the strengthening of infrastructure and the critical process of implementing the Tipra Accord.
So now we have the former Chief Executive Officer of TTAADC. Sir, how do you feel jumping from the administration to the politics and now you're appointed as an executive member of TTAADC? What is your reaction?
No, first of all, I'd like to share by saying that I do feel good because while I was in Tripura administration, civil administration, I have had served about 35 years. I was in Tripura civil administration. After retirement, also, I thought that I should stand by the people. I would like to serve the people, our society, our community. So I have joined Tipra Motha party under the guidance of our Boagra, His Highness Maharaja Pradut Vikram Kishore Manik, and he was kind enough to let me contest in the last ADC election. So the people have voted me, so I have won the seat, and now my main objective is to serve the people, to serve the community, whatever we deserve, and especially our constitutional rights. We will fight for constitutional rights for our existence, especially land rights, cultural rights, educational rights, we will ensure. And through Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Administration, I will definitely try, not individually and also collectively, will try to serve the people, to fulfill the aspirations of the people of Tripura Tribal Areas, Autonomous District Council areas.
So you have served the people over more than 2 decades from the administration. So people have lots of expectations from you, being running from administration to the politics. So how are you going to fulfill that expectation to the people coming as elected as an executive member?
As guided by our Bobagara, His Highness, he has guided us, he has directed us that the TTAADC administration should be society-led governance. So we will consult with the society, community leaders, and whatever is required for the betterment of our society, we'll try to fulfill that, definitely.
So, sir, the Tipra Accord that has been already signed years ago. So what do you think after winning this TTAADC elections? Will there be any contentions with the central government regarding the implementation of the accord? What do you think about this?
Let us hope for the best. Still dialogue is going on. Maharaja has been constantly pressurizing the central government, and we are hopeful it will be implemented, though it is being late, but I think still I do hope that it will be implemented definitely, and for that we will have to again raise our voice unitedly. All the Tiprasas should be united to raise our voice so that our demands are fulfilled. If we are divided, if we are fragmented, if we become weak, then there is less chance to get our tripartite agreement. So I do believe if we stand together, if we are strong enough, definitely we will be able to achieve our goals.
Since the BC election is approaching in the coming months and the 2028 general elections also approaching, so what do you think the Tripura's political landscape has changed? Do you think that the Tipra Motha is going to be the victorious in the coming elections, or the BJP also has won the general elections in West Bengal in other states? What do you think the upcoming political landscape is going to be in our state?
Definitely now, for the last 75 years, our Tiprasas have realized that by doing only politics, only by participating in politics, our demands, our constitutional rights are not being fulfilled. So, and therefore, now in the last ADC election result, we have shown our our united. We stand united. We stand together, and I think that sense of being deprived that has played very important role, and that is fact also. And even in the campaign also, I used to appeal to the voters that irrespective of any political party affiliation, now we should stand together. We should raise our voice together so that our constitutional rights, our rights are fulfilled. And definitely in the next VC election we will win, and in the upcoming 2028 assembly election also we are hopeful we will be able to organize the people. We will be going to the people, and we will be able to unite them, and unitedly if we fight, definitely Tipra Motha will win, and Tipra Motha will form the government in 2028. That is our hope. And by forming the government, definitely our constitutional rights will be achieved.
Thank you so much
Thank you
for
very
sharing
much.
your thoughts.
Yeah, thank you.
The ceremony marks the beginning of a fresh 5-year tenure for the council with the new leadership. The ceremony also saw the presence of Tipra Motha Party President B.K. Rangkhol, including all MDCs and MLS. Reported by Nelson, Pravir and Boyar from Kumulong, Chini, Khorang.